This tea is your bestie during cold and flu season. It uses orange, lemon, ginger, turmeric, and sage. Sage is optional. If you have it, I would definitely recommend it, especially if you are not feeling well and you have mucus or your throat or your nose is bothering you. Sage is a plant that's known to help alleviate the inflammation in your mucous membrane. Turmeric and ginger, a couple of things that I try to eat every single day in some form, whether it's a tea or whether it's in a recipe. Really great for pain, really great for inflammation. The kind of foods that if you just have in your body every single day, you'll be doing a lot better overall. So just put your sliced oranges in water and let it come to a boil and then simmer it for 10 or 20 minutes. You can throw your sage in there. With the turmeric and the ginger, I do slice it up just a little bit, but so there's more surface area that the water can reach and you'll have more of the benefits. I'm just going to cover this, bring it to a boil, and then again, I'll let it simmer for 10 or 20 minutes and then come back and do a taste test. And it's done. It smells amazing. Love that steam. I just bought a cheap coffee pot and I strain the tea into the coffee pot, put the coffee pot on warm, and just let it sit there all day, and I can go pour a little cup as I need it. That bright color from the turmeric. I have raw honey. This is local from Charleston. I live close to Charleston, so this is a perfect honey for where I live. And again, I would just take this and put it on the coffee pot warmer, and then I can sip on it all day long. You can also store it and then heat it up the next day. It smells really, really nice. You can definitely smell the ginger and the turmeric. So good. So hot and so delicious. Anti-flu tea, give it a shot if you're not feeling well, or if you just want to prevent. It has lots of wonderful preventative ingredients. If you don't have the mucus happening, you don't need the sage, but do it without the sage and do the turmeric and ginger and the citrus slices. It's awesome for the winter season. Enjoy. Follow me for more tea tips.